Common English phrases. Common English phrases. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Can't complain. Can't complain. Can't complain. Would you like to join me for dinner? Would you like to join me for dinner? Would you like to join me for dinner? Would you like to drink a coffee? Would you like to drink a coffee? Would you like to drink a coffee? I want to give you a gift. I want to give you a gift. I want to give you a gift. I need some tissues. I need some tissues. I need some tissues. I would like some water too, please. I would like some water too, please. I would like some water too, please. I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. I would like to go to the supermarket. I would like to go to the supermarket. I would like to go to the supermarket. I'd like to speak to Mr. Fahmy, please. I'd like to speak to Mr. Fahmy, please. I'd like to speak to Mr. Fahmy, please. I'd like to rent an apartment. I'd like to rent an apartment. I'd like to rent an apartment. I should have called her yesterday. I should have called her yesterday. I should have called her yesterday. You shouldn't have done that, Samir. You shouldn't have done that, Samir. You shouldn't have done that, Samir. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have told you. I shouldn't have told you. I shouldn't have told you. We shouldn't left her alone. We shouldn't left her alone. We shouldn't left her alone. Sorry, I shouldn't have come in here. Sorry, I shouldn't have come in here. Sorry, I shouldn't have come in here. Aya, stay away from the window. Aya, stay away from the window. Aya, stay away from the window. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. His family is coming tomorrow. His family is coming tomorrow. His family is coming tomorrow. How long are you going to stay? How long are you going to stay? How long are you going to stay? The work is now in progress. The work is now in progress. The work is now in progress. I work hard to save some money. I work hard to save some money. I work hard to save some money. She resembles her mother. She resembles her mother. She resembles her mother. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. I will help you as much as I can. I will help you as much as I can. I will help you as much as I can. I will call you in an hour. I will call you in an hour. I will call you in an hour. When did it arrive? When did it arrive? When did it arrive? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind? I know what's on your mind. I know what's on your mind. I know what's on your mind. I'm going to change the way I think. I'm going to change the way I think. I'm going to change the way I think. I'm not going with you. I'm not going with you. I'm not going with you. I haven't got any friends. I haven't got any friends. I haven't got any friends. It didn't occur to me. It didn't occur to me. It didn't occur to me. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Take off your shoes, please. Take off your shoes, please. Take off your shoes, please. He was right after all. He was right after all. He was right after all. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Let's take a break. Do you want to sit down? Do you want to sit down? Do you want to sit down? Could you please pass the butter? Could you please pass the butter? Could you please pass the butter? Say hello to your father for me. Say hello to your father for me. Say hello to your father for me. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It was raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday. It was raining yesterday. There is no hope of success. There is no hope of success. There is no hope of success. How long have you known Sarah? How long have you known Sarah? How long have you known Sarah? It's Sunday today. It's Sunday today. It's Sunday today. What did you talk about? 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 Don't worry, it's almost over. Don't worry, it's almost over. Don't worry, it's almost over. I'm about to leave the office. I'm about to leave the office. I'm about to leave the office. I'm in the house about to leave. I'm in the house about to leave. I'm in the house about to leave. I can't abide noisy people. I can't abide noisy people. I can't abide noisy people. Don't despair. Don't despair. Don't despair. You look very tired. You look very tired. You look very tired. I've been here for 2 days. I've been here for 2 days. I have been here for 2 days. I have never seen that before. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. That's it. That's it. That's it. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of yourself. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your watching. See you next video.